Hi, welcome. Now I am going to explain to you how to use horizontal lookup and get a particular sales value of a product. Okay, so what I have here is the product list and their corresponding sales. Okay, you can see for every product you have a sales. Okay, which is the data is in the horizontal order. So the product, all the products are in horizontally in each column, and sales are also spread it in the horizontal order. Okay, so both of them in the horizontal order. Each product you have a respective sales, and finally you have 25 products which ends in column Z. Okay, so what you are going to do here? Okay, I'm going to have a particular product and I want to return sales for that product. Okay, since it is in the horizontal order, I am going to use a horizontal lookup, which is HLookup. Okay, the product name I just put for time being, I put a particular product name here, Alice Mutton in product. For this cell value I want to return a corresponding sales value. Okay, corresponding sales value. Okay, so now I put this name Alice Mutton and I want to corresponding sales. How to do this? Okay, equal to horizontal lookup HLookup, and looks for a value in the top row of a table. Top row of the table is this one. Okay, table of array of values. So this is this 2 is going to be the array of values. Okay, and returns the value in the column from a row you specify. Okay, I will just explain to you. Just go here, HLookup, lookup value. What is the lookup value? What is the product you want to look it for in the main list? Okay, this is the given product you want to look it. So this is called lookup value A6. Where do you want to look it up? In the actual data. Okay, this is the source data, the full list of products and the corresponding sales. Okay, but it will look it up in the first top row. Okay, so the look it where it will look it up in the array, the first row. Okay, then what do you want to return back? I want to return back the corresponding the sales value. So sales value is in the second row, so you must put a row index number is 2. Okay, how do you want to match? You want approximate match or you want a exact match? I want exactly the same name must be there. Okay, so in the approximate, it will, if it is Alice Mutton is not available, it will try to place it within 2 names. Which name is closer to that, it will return that value. We don't want that one, we want an exact match, which is the value is false. Or you can also, the lookup value you can also put a 0 for false. Range lookup value false means exact match. Enter. You see the Alice Mutton, the corresponding sales value is returned. Okay, when I put a next name, it will automatically change it to 2298. Okay, this is the way you can use a horizontal lookup to look up some value from the range of values and return back the corresponding row number which you specify. In this case it is 2. Okay, and also if you want this one, you can also make it as a list box. The source is all the product names and press OK, so that you will see here all the products are coming here. You can select anything. The horizontal lookup will fire and bring the sales, respective sales. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and please give your suggestions and comments in the comment section, and also please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.